HIMS is a rapidly growing telehealth company. With the addition of weight loss drugs in its online portfolio, company's prospects have remarkably improved. Remember, HIMS is already growing in double digits every quarter. It's being called as an undervalued gem by many analysts. Watch the whole video. I will do technical and fundamental analysis of HIMS. HIMS bottomed out from the price level of 3 and from there it rose almost 604%, and now it is touching the resistance at the level of 25. If you look closely at the volumes of HIMS, you will see that massive level of volumes are coming. This shows that institutions are buying the stock. Similarly, here at this point you will see huge volumes came. Exactly above you can see that the price gaps formed here, and similarly at this zone you can see that price gap formed and a big candle was also formed. These are the bullish signals in HIMS. This point of breakout, HIMS have three possibilities. Number one is just breaks it. Number two, it accumulates in this zone which is called as breakout buildup and then move higher. And number three, it pulls back and then move higher. Anyhow, our target is that we should buy the HIMS when it crosses this price level of 25. If you see the weekly chart of HIMS, picture will be more clear to you. Here you can see massive volumes have come, and this clearly show institutional buying has happened. And I'm quite hopeful that HIMS will break out this zone and move much higher, which depends on its fundamentals. Income growth of HIMS is very impressive. You can see every quarter HIMS is growing in double digits. Here 83%, 56%, 47%, 45%. Similarly, if you see the net income of HIMS, previously in the last couple of quarters it was in negative, but now HIMS is earning in positive. See here, operating cash flows of HIMS are positive. That is a very good thing. And similarly, if you see the free cash flow, that is also positive. This means that the HIMS is generating a lot of cash flow from its operations and it doesn't need to meet a lot of financing requirements or capital requirements. That's why it is having free cash flow here. So very good thing about HIMS that I like a lot is its cash situation. Here you can see that HIMS do not have any debt, very little debt here, but the cash, free cash flow and cash equivalents, they are very impressive. Similarly, if you see the financial position short term as well as long term, financial position of HIMS is also very good. Its quick ratio is good and its long term fixed assets are better and liabilities are very small. Now if you see the earnings surprises of HIMS, here you can see that HIMS is giving positive surprises, sometimes negative but very small. And similarly, if you can see revenue surprises are always positive. And here you can see the expected growth. Let's see the exact numbers how HIMS is expected to perform in the coming quarters. Here you can see triple digit growth is expected in HIMS. 316, 77, 122, 179, 168. HIMS is expected to grow very fast. Important thing in company's fundamentals. Here you see company is constantly reducing its selling and general administrative expenses. And if company is able to reduce it further, the company's profit margins will increase drastically. Let us do CANSLIM analysis of HIMS. Current quarter earnings are above 25%. You can see here it is 45%. So this is pass. Annual earnings are above 25%. You can see here they are 65%. So pass. So the new technology product or service, HIMS has introduced GLP-1 weight loss drugs. So this is pass. Supply and demand. You have seen in the technical analysis that demand is continuously increasing. Institutions are continuously buying the stock and as well as general public. So it is positive. RS rating. So RS rating of HIMS is 95. It should be above 80. So this is passed. Institutional buying. You see, institutions are holding 47% of the stock and institutional ownership is continuously increasing. Pass. Market direction. Currently S&P 500 and Nasdaq, they are moving in a positive direction. So this is also passed.